Hi friends, welcome to my channel Homemade Bites. So this is my first video on my channel. So today I'm going to show you a very tasty food item, and that is none other than the red sauce pasta. So many of us like this red sauce pasta. So today we are making that. The ingredients that we need for this are 3 medium sized tomatoes, 8 red chilies, 1 capsicum, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 8 garlic cloves, 250 grams pasta, 2 spoon oil, 2 liters water, the taste of salt. How much you want you can take that much salt, butter 1 spoon, cheese 2 slices, oregano half spoon, chili flakes 1 spoon, tomato ketchup 2 spoons. These are all the ingredients which you need to make. I have taken 250 grams pasta. You can take more also. So now we are starting the procedure. You have to take 3 tomatoes, 8 red chilies and 1 glass of water in a cooker. Then put it in a cooker and on the flame. After 2 whistles, off the flame and cool it. Then take another pan, add 1.5 liter water to it, and when the water comes to a boil, add some salt and half spoon oil. You have to add half spoon salt and half spoon oil if you are taking 250 grams of pasta. Now add the pasta. Now we are boiling the pasta. So while it is boiling, you have to cut the carrot, capsicum, onions and garlics. You have to cut very small, and then in a plate take the boiled tomatoes and red chilies which we boiled from the cooker. After a few minutes, check the pasta. If the pasta becomes soft, so turn off the flame. Then strain the water from the pasta and add some oil to it, because the oil does not allow them to stick. So we are adding it. So now we have to take a grinder and put these tomatoes and red chilies in that and grind it to a fine paste. It should come like a paste. Then take another pan, add 1 spoon butter and half spoon oil. Should not add enough oil because oil does not taste well. So now you have to add the chopped garlics. All the garlics which we cutted, you have to add these all and mix these all. For 2 to 3 minutes you have to cook it. So friends, I have taken 250 grams of pasta. If you are taking more than that, you can double the quantities which I took. So after that, we can add all the vegetables in this. The carrot which we chopped, the onion which we chopped and the capsicum which we chopped. We have to add this all and mix it. You have to cook this for almost 2 to 3 minutes. Then after you have the grinded paste of tomato and red chilies, we have to strain it from a strainer. So we are straining it. After straining, you have to see the vegetables and add salt to it and mix them. Then pour the tomato puree which we made. You have to strain it first and then add the tomato puree. Then add some salt to it. After this, you have to take half spoon oregano and half spoon chili flakes. If you want more, you can add more. And mix it. And mix it for 2 minutes. Then add 2 spoons tomato ketchup. because the tomato ketchup gives a little bit sweet to it. So add 2 spoons of it. So now mix it, cook it for 1-2 minutes. After that, add the slices of cheese. Cheese slices are very important because the cheese only gives this red sauce pasta taste. After that, add the pasta which we boiled. The boiled pasta which we strained from the water, we have to add this. Now mix the pasta well, and our pasta is almost ready. If you want more salt or more tomato ketchup, or if you add more salt, you can add it, taste it and add it. And mix it for 1 to 2 minutes and then turn off the flame. Now the tasty pasta is ready. See how it is looking. So this is the special recipe we made. I hope that you loved this recipe. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have given all the ingredients and the procedure in the description also, and in the comments too. Check it and tell me how the recipe was. Thank you.